The most important part of a burnout recovery program is you. It's your sense of self. And it's being in relationship with that self. Burnout so often occurs because we keep repeatedly setting ourselves aside. We stop paying attention to the messages that our body carries for us. Our body is an incredible wealth of important information that signals to us when things are going well and when things are not going so well. Being in relationship with our mind and body is required to live a healthy, balanced life. To that end, having a regular brain care program is a really important part of not only sustainable resiliency, but also your recovery journey, getting back to self. Do you want to know what the core part of resiliency is? It's also self. When we are in relationship with our mind and our body, we are capable of pretty much anything. We can withstand huge stressors. We can maintain balance and grace in times of difficulty, and we can keep going forward. Self is us, and self is our thinking brain. Utilizing the self-havening touch with the CPR for the amygdala protocols on a regular basis, not just once or twice a day, but several times a day, is imperative for building your healing program. It helps us move back into relationship with the body. Because when a flare goes up and our amygdala goes, we don't like that, which, as we know when we're in a burned out state, happens a lot, we're showing ourselves that we have our own back. We've got the ability to calm ourselves. And then when we bring in the Creating Possibilities protocol, not only are we helping our brain calm down, we're reminding our brain and our body that we have the capacity to feel good and strong and capable. So as you continue your burnout recovery journey, bring in that CPR for the amygdala with the Creating Possibilities protocols several times a day. Start your day with an energizing meditation. We just happen to have one on the channel here for you. If you notice moments of activation throughout the course of your day, take a moment and push pause and help Amy out. Let her know you're cool. It's okay. You've got this. And at the end of the day, do a transitional exercise. Give yourself space to release the day and find rejuvenation and calm. Through the simple act of doing these steps, you're showing yourself that you matter. And if we don't show ourselves that we matter to ourselves, it doesn't matter how much anybody else tells us that we matter. And burnout is a cruel, difficult, painful representation of what happens when we set ourselves aside. Get back to self. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Give yourself a nice, gentle, loving hug every day, several times a day, and notice what changes. My name's Dr. Kate Truitt, and I look forward to healing with you soon.